Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video of a new toy I just picked up. It's a ECX Torment. I got at a local hobby shop, Hot Rod Hobbies here in Hamilton. A really good deal. I was a little bit hesitant about it because it's not a brand like I'm used to. It's not like Low-C or Associate or anything like that. But after seeing some other kids playing with it, and just abusing the crap out of it, I thought it looks like what I want. We've had lots of race vehicles in the past, but I wanted more of a basher and something maybe I could take to the track, you know, and save my brother. He's gonna pick up one too, just because so we have something to do in the winter, really. On days we can't take out the three-wheeler and stuff, we can go down the track. It's only a little ways away, and it's good times. Just show you here, take the body off, cut a few holes into it, but other than that, it's all the same. It's got Traxxas slash wheels on the front. Just got the stock battery in there right now. Comes with a 1800, so not too bad for what it is. 15-turn motor, Ford reverse ESC, just basic stuff. Very durable. It's like flexible, which is nice. I know not going to handle the best. You see lots of people complain it's got high center of gravity, but that doesn't matter for me. All I've done so far is just change the wheels, and I put some thicker shock oil in the back. The front shocks just keep leaking, so really the shocks I think are my least favorite part of the whole thing. They're just plastic, but that's easy to change. And other than that, if you're looking at one of these and want to get it, I definitely would. I'll show you some driving video in a few minutes. It's quite fast for an RTR, well, especially dirt cheap RTR. And well, we've smashed into lots of stuff. Really, that's the only other problem we read a lot about online is the stock axles break, like right, of course I don't know what I did with the one that did break, but like right here. See the camera right there, these guys break right off. Well, if you plow it into the wall sideways like we did, but supposedly it doesn't happen that often. It happened to us the first day, of course, but all I did was put in Traxxas axles from I forget what it is, VXL or something like that. Easy to do. You just gotta drill out the end of it a little bit, and needs a little spacer on the end to take up some slop. You gotta drill out your wheels too, but hopefully that doesn't break again. I haven't heard anyone complain about breaking those ones. Overall, really good deal, really good beast, great basher, and we'll see about racing it. I don't have high expectations, so as long as already I've taken it on the track and it handles amazingly for being an RTR, and how little oil's in the shocks and stuff. But thanks for watching. I'll show you some driving footage in 1 second. Go for it. Yeah.